Hey guys, I'm just sorry I haven't made a video in a while, but and my dad got this at that one. Let's see something. Kind of. Okay, my dad got me this at Angel's gas station. So multi-purpose knife on. I'm just gotta take some features out. Okay. Hurt. Dang it, this nail file. What? Oh, my Xbox turned on for some. Oh yeah, I tried to turn on control like a minute ago. Oh well, that's all I can do. And yeah, it does that, and then that was it. And so it comes with tweezers. It's cool. Then holding the camera with my left hand. It also has a toothpick. And it has scissors, a knife, a few other knives, a can opener, and some other stuff. But it's really cool, and it comes out red. Would prefer green since, you know, I love green. But yeah, here it is. The multi-purpose, totally outrageous multi-purpose pocket knife. Once again, my dad got it at Angel's gas station for $3.50, $3.50 in Dickinson, Texas. Just think of it, Dickinson. Oh, bye. Peace.